In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively create and manage your budget using the Budget Manager tool. Budgeting can sometimes seem like a daunting task, but with a little guidance, you'll be navigating through your financials with confidence. To get started, you'll need to navigate to the Reporting section, then head over to All Reports and find the Budget Manager. This is where the magic happens in terms of setting your financial plans and projections. The first step in this process is to create a new budget. Select the Add Budget option where you'll be prompted to give your budget a name. Make sure it's something clear and recognizable so you can easily identify it later on, especially if you're managing multiple budgets. Next, it's time to enter your initial income and expenses. This forms the backbone of your budget, and it's essential to get these numbers as accurate as possible. You'll manually input your planned figures for the first month. To do this effectively, use your existing historical data as a guide. If you've been tracking your finances, look back at past months to see what your typical income and expenditure look like. This can help ensure your budget is realistic and achievable. Once the first month's data is in place, you'll want to populate the rest of the months. Here's where the Budget Manager really becomes useful. Click on the green arrow next to each figure to apply various formulas. You have the flexibility to choose how your budget evolves over time. You might decide to apply a fixed amount to each month if your business is relatively steady. Alternatively, if you expect growth or reduction, you can increase or decrease the figures by a certain percentage. This aspect allows you to tailor your budget to fit your unique business landscape. Remember, it's also important to adjust for any seasonal variations. If your business experiences highs and lows during particular times of the year, make sure to manually adjust your budget for those months. Perhaps your sales peak in the summer or dip in the winter. Whatever your patterns, factoring these in will provide a more accurate and reliable budget. Throughout this entire process, it's crucial to regularly save your work. You don't want to lose your efforts due to a technical glitch or accidental closure. As you input and adjust figures, keep hitting that save button to ensure your data is secure. Finally, after you've set everything in place, take a moment to review your budget by looking at the Budget Summary Report. This overview will give you a final look at your planned financial trajectory and help you confirm everything is as it should be. And there you have it. Simple steps to create and manage a budget. With these strategies, you'll be better prepared to plan for the future, anticipate challenges, and seize opportunities. Thanks for joining me today. Happy budgeting!